I seriously love every single thing about this room. Hello Explorer, and welcome to another room tour vlog from the Traveling Foxes. If you're new to our channel, we love sharing our travel tips and adventures to inspire the wanderlust within you. To those of you who are living in Manila or visiting Manila for the first time, one of the easiest trips to visit or one of the easiest destinations to go to is Tagaytay. There are so many beautiful hotels and resorts that are overlooking Taal Volcano, and if you limit your search to Tagaytay, you're gonna miss out the ones that are located in Batangas but are still facing Taal Volcano and Taal Lake. And this is actually one of the resorts that is located in the Batangas side. If you've been browsing and you've come across my video, I've actually already made a previous room tour vlog on room number 2, which is the Lake Hu Suite. And right now I am in the Grand Villa Suite, which is room number 5. And I can tell you that the rooms have really been made and designed with a lot of heart. You saw from the previous video, there's just so much charm to the room. So let's go and make this room tour vlog before I mess up the room with all my things. You guys should try and stay here, and this is why. So let me just clarify the name of this room. It is the Villa Grand Suite, and I said it the other way around, room number 5. It's located in the 2nd floor of the main building, and let's go inside and have a look. I don't have to say much. You guys have seen it for yourself. There's just so much intricate details on every corner. I love the vases, I love the paintings, the ambiance, the positioning of the lights, and the princess bed. It's just perfect. And it gives such a relaxing and rejuvenating feel just being here. The colors, it's not so bright, so it makes you feel more at peace with yourself and the surroundings when you enter the room. If I were to compare the room I stayed in the first time I was here, I feel like this is a more Filipino inspired architecture and design, especially with the whole princess bed. If I had the money one day to make a summer house, I would want it to kind of replicate a place like this room because it's very cozy. It's like, who would have ever thought of positioning pots behind your bed? That's not something I would think about when I am designing my home, but it gives you so many ideas on what you can do to create a very charming space. Staying here for a longer duration might be a little less bland than the other standard hotel rooms, which is purely just going to be your typical white with a few paintings just to make it, you know, it's just a space to sleep. But what I can say about Nuuk Taal is it's really a place for you to relax, rejuvenate, and spend some time off from the big city. Even the chandelier that's in the center of the bedroom has so much thought put into it. Now look at this one. For this room, you also have an extra king-size bed. I sleep in a king-size bed, but this is just so much bigger and cozier. So super excited to stay here tonight. It's one thing I really look for when I am booking a resort or a room is obviously the aircon, because we are in a tropical country. The heated water. Normally a vacation for me would require me to be, you know, swimming in the ocean or in the lake. So having hot water is another plus. And the most important, number 3, is for me is having the thick and beautiful warm sheets. And I think that's just the basics, and this place has done so much more than what I am looking for in a resort. And if you were impressed with the toilets in room number 2, wait until you see this one. But let me get the assistance of my partner to help me video this so you have a better perspective of the room. Hey! Alright, so another thing that you have here is a beautiful balcony. It goes all the way from here to the other side. Can you help me video?
Blocked.
Oh, yeah, it's actually blocked by plants, so it is quite private. You have this balcony for yourself. And I wasn't going to show you the view yet, but I guess now is a good time. And this is the view from the main building. Alright, so I wanted to show them the toilets, but I need you to video me. He's enjoying his vacation too much. Come on. Did you have a wonderful afternoon nap? Alright, I wanted you to video because I wanted you to give, you know, aside from them just looking at my face, I'm trying to give a room tour so at least they see a wider angle of the room. So let's have a look. So just quickly going back, this is the balcony again. And just as you go inside the room, this is your bedroom. So I haven't really explored the toilet yet because I want to surprise myself, but when I walked in I was like, wow. And let's go have a look as to why it was a wow for me. If you were impressed with the last toilet, then you should see this. So what do you think? It's amazing, right? Like, I didn't expect the toilets to be this big. Having this vanity mirror is just perfect for any woman. If you want to impress your girlfriend or your wife, make something like this because this is just amazing. Are you getting the hints from what I'm saying?
No.
Another great thing is the his and hers. I think I mentioned this in one of my Maldives vlogs. It's like, for me, it's such a plus because he can have his time in the brushing his teeth, getting shaved, and I can have my time as well. So definitely a bonus when there's two. And also, gosh guys, if there's a vacation, there needs to be a tub. This is just perfect. And the size is just right. And just quickly going to the showers, has a beautiful glass cover so it doesn't feel so compressed. It actually makes space look a lot bigger. So if this was covered, it wouldn't have that nice feels compared to what it is now. And they actually do have their fridge, their little fridge here. And one thing I really found really cool or very European is having these hangers. Like I'm 5'7" and I have to tiptoe to hang, for me to be able to hang my jacket. So I was just envisioning some of my friends, they won't be able to get their clothes hanged here and they'll have to settle for the other compartments, which is also, you know, there's a lot of space here to put your things.
Any shoutouts?
I was referring to my good friend Meg. She won't be able to hang her clothes there. But this is the room, guys. Yeah, the toilets here, the shower, the bathtub, the two sinks, and the vanity mirror. The space is just perfect. I really want my future summer house to look like, to have this toilet. Initially I said that in the last one, but if you compare it to this one now, this is so much nicer. So, it just keeps getting better.
So basically every trip you do, it just keeps upgrading to what you want.
It keeps upgrading. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the room tour. I'm going to be showing you a little bit around the resort. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions, guys, feel free to leave me a comment. I am going to answer it for you guys, or you can also send me messages in my Instagram, coco.natty. And yeah, let's go check out the outside before the sunset. All right, now I have changed and let's go and explore outside for a little bit, maybe grab a drink. Alright, before we grab our drink, you actually have to order or pre-order your dinner. So that's what we're gonna do now before we head out.
What's this?
Beef.
This one.
Fish.
This one.
Vegetarisk. Lamb. Rezer.
Raya. What is it?
Raya. Lobster, no.
Lobster.
Prawns.
Yeah.
Prawns.
I like. I'm gonna have lobster tonight. Could we just order a drink? The iced tea that you have at the arrival.
Homemade icy, sir?
Yeah, could I have one homemade iced tea? Do you want iced tea?
All right, so we have decided to just stay overlooking the swimming pool because it's nice to chill just as we wait for sunset to come. Now we're gonna have to get ready for dinner because we did say 6:30 and it's already 6:10, so okay. Yeah, I know.
Froggo.
Let us live down deep below. You get pulled by the tide. There's still so much that you don't know, but I know that you'll try.
All right, it's dinner time. Just did a quick shower and then ready for the food we've ordered earlier. And maybe have some nice drinks after as well.
And the lingonberry jam, and this one is red cabbage and with brown sauce on top. Thank you.
So what did you order?
Frikadella.
What is it?
It is the superior version of Swedish meatballs.
Is that a frikadella? Wow. What do you think of it?
No, the frikadella is good. The potatoes are good. Would like the sauce to be a little bit thicker, but that's just how I like my brown sauce.
Then you see.
Good morning, guys. So nice. I woke up a little later today because the bed was just so enjoyable, and you know, living in the city, like when you open the windows or the door, all you can hear is like cars beeping, traffic. But being out here, you hear the birds, the trees, and the fishermen. So it's really, I don't know, it's nice and relaxing. I'm gonna head down now. Go and grab some breakfast. Let's go. Alright, we're ready for breakfast, and now we are just enjoying the scenery of the place. We got the table that is facing the swimming pool and the volcano. Okay, so for breakfast, I got chicken longanisa. Kept it very Filipino today. Super excited to try it. And Crest got
Tapa.
taba.
Beef tapa.
Yum. Looks good. Right, so we just finished breakfast and now we're gonna chill by the pool until we have to check out. I had such a lovely time here, and if you guys want to know more information, I'm gonna leave the link to the resort down in the description below. And once again guys, I hope you can like this video and also subscribe to our channel. We have a lot of travel videos and also room tour vlogs from all the different places I have explored. So yeah, hope to catch you in my next video. Bye for now.